Quackity, ¿qué traes, carnal? ¿Estás bien?
Quiero sangre.
Quackity. ¡Ánimo, carnal!
Acaba con él, eres mi caballo ganador. Vamos, acaba con él.
Lo voy a hacer pedazos.
Ok, Quackity, preferencias de creador de la serie. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Día, noche, lluvia, sol? Niebla.
Día con lluvia.
Le has dicho mucho, son muchos comandos para él.
Okay. This is the fight. There are no tests, okay? Empieza el combate. Sin tests.
Dale. ¡Qué muy machino! ¡Muy machino! Hace gol. Eyo.
One.
Hey man, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to. I love Selena.
You're not fucking sorry! You're not! You're not fucking sorry!
Ow. Okay, all right. Looks like I'll need
Fight! Don't be a little shit! Fucking fight!
No postaste por slime. ¡Slime, mi fucking shit!
Dude, stop! I'm trying to do
Fight!
something here, okay?
Fight!
I'm sorry. I wish it didn't happen the way it did, okay?
You killed my son!
I know what it's like.
You killed my son!
I know what
You
it's like.
killed him! You killed him! You have no remorse! You were supposed to take care of him!
Child. You're not the only one, okay? But I'm sorry for everything.
No! No! I've given you too many chances. I've given you too many chances.